Hi class. So today we are wrapping up our little project on our summer plans. So you guys have done the poster boards on um, on your summer plans, and yesterday we worked on creating your movie trailers. So today you guys are going to be presenting them to the class. And with that, I have created a Google form, as you can see on the screen here, for you guys to peer review each of your classmates' trailers. And I want you to submit one of these for each classmate. Just once they are starting on their trailer, presenting it, just pay attention and check the boxes. Did they have a title? Yes or no? Pretty simple. Did they get creative with their design of their movie trailer? Did they have plenty of details? Did they have a good presentation? Did they meet all requirements? And overall, how did they do? This just shows me that you paid attention and you respected your classmates when they were presenting their trailers. And plus, it's a good way to earn some points. So, thank you, class. I hope you guys enjoy these.